Write in your notebook. Stop talking. Stop talking. Try again.
You can do it.
This is a very important concept. Make sure you understand it completely. Pay attention. Take out your book. Very good. Open page number 10.
Yes, teacher.
Girl, look at the picture. Write the heading. Write the date.
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Underline the answer. Circle the correct answer. Tick the correct option. Cross the wrong answer.